Hey guys, I'm Richard Beck with Beck Tools, and I've got some really exciting news. So in these boxes is a brand new project and a journey that I'm going to be going on over the next year or so. So if you're into DIY CNCs, this is going to be the series for you. So this is the Shariff DMC2 Mini, and I'm pumped. This is a rising star in my mind. I've seen a lot of buzz on the internet. People ask him, what do you think about it? I don't know, I don't have it, but now I do. So I'm going to dig into this. As many of you know who follow the channel, I cannot not modify things, so there's going to be a lot of mods I make eventually, but originally I just want to build it as is so we can get a baseline. And even if there may or may not be some quality issues that I find along the way, we're going to build it just to see what we get. Then we'll go back through after it's built, tested for a while, and then we'll start beefing it up, perfecting it, and we'll see how far we can take this machine. So without further ado, let's dig into the box. Okay, here it is, guys. Now, some of you guys might be overwhelmed by this, but there's a digital instruction manual, and lots of people have built this. I'm confident that we can do this. Can't wait. It may be a little bit more involved than the Lingmer Systems MR1. That has a fully, the electronics are all done on that for you. But I really want to learn the in-depth, detailed electronics part. So that's why I'm excited about this. So that's what we have. So one other thing I want to mention, I am a Shariff DMC affiliate. I've partnered with them. And any of the links in any of these videos that you see will benefit Beck Tools. I paid with my own money for this kit, but I plan to bring as much value to you guys over this project as possible. So if you're interested in learning more about this machine, there will be an affiliate link in this video and all of the other videos following this. As far as do I endorse it, at this point, I don't know. But if you want to learn about it, the info is in the description of this video. In the future, I will be giving my opinions. I'll be sharing the good, the bad, and then you can decide after, seeing all of that, if it's worth it for you or not.